Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Rishaca brand dog car seat. This is obviously portable based on the fact that it's in a nice little portable bag already, but we're going to show you it in use and let you see what's in the bag and help you to make the decision whether or not you should be buying it.
All right, so to get this thing open, we're just going to find the zipper here. And what you'll find is obviously your installation instructions. You'll find a couple of tubes that are going to be important to hold things in place. A couple straps as well that are going to, a short strap and a long strap, and they're going to help keep this thing open and up. And then of course the actual seat, which is going to be kind of folding out. So I'm going to get it to a different angle so you can see this a little bit. Alright, so as mentioned, you'll see this is pretty big, a decent size. It has another strap right here, a couple straps here, and so it'll sit very nicely with your dog. And this is pretty large size, so there's some opportunity for a big dog to jump out of this, but a small dog will definitely be not be able to jump out of it. All right, so on the back, you're gonna see some Velcro that's gonna need to come apart, and then you're just gonna insert, I don't know if you can see my finger disappearing, insert some of the tubes into that. So I'm gonna just show you how they go in. So they'll fit in, and then you just close the Velcro back up, and that will help hold it open a little bit better. As you can see, this is flimsy, this won't bend. So we'll do the same thing on this side. And that way, you'll have a much more solid base. Now, there's a couple directions you can go in. As you see, this is big up here. You can put this on the back of the car seat, or you can attach hooks to the front seat. So we're going to demonstrate how to put them both in, and that way you'll have a better feel for how to do this. And then to make it travel worthy again, you're just going to remove these poles, and that way it can all fold up and go into the travel bag. All right, so once in the vehicle, the first thing you want to do is just slip that over the back seat, headrest, and then you have two options here. You can either attach to the front seat, or you can have a strap going over the top of the back. So I'm going to demonstrate the front seat. All right, so all you're going to do is hook it here and here. They clip right in very easily. Just wrap it around your headrest, and then you should have the front all set up. But what we need to do then is tighten here. So you'll just tighten for fit and whatever's good. Ideally what you're trying to do is keep this kind of flat. And then just remember that when you do want the dog to get in, you'll be able to unzip this here and here, and you can just slide your dog in. That way you don't have to put them up and over. Whatever's most convenient for you will be the opportunity here. And so if you want to hook to the back, you're going to use the long strap. That was the short strap, so let's show the long strap. And so now that it's hooked in, again, hooks the same way, just wraps around the head piece again, and all you're looking to do is just make sure again that it sits okay. So there you go. And the final part that I didn't really cover is this would just hook right into their collar. So you can put an adjuster on there, or you can just put it right on their collar. That way they stay in the seat and don't jump out. And that's it. So hopefully this review has helped with your decision process. Thanks for watching, and we're thinking it's worth buying. Bye.